Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best free grammar checker by comparing QuillBot and Grammarly Free in 2025. If you're looking for the best grammar checker in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. QuillBot performed exceptionally well compared to the other tools we tested for this comparison. It was able to find and correct all of the 20 errors. The Scribber grammar checker, powered by QuillBot, performed just as well. The Fix All Errors option saves a lot of time and clicking when a high number of corrections are needed. And getting started is very quick, since no sign-up is required and you can just copy text directly into the site. Some key features of QuillBot are as following. No sign-up required, so it's very quick to get started. Offers a browser extension, Fix All Errors button, makes it very easy to correct a lot of issues at once. Errors can be fixed individually with one click. Grammarly performs well compared to the average grammar checker, but because it's not entirely free, many of the issues it notices can only be checked if you pay for a premium membership. Based on the other parts of the text it had highlighted, it looks like premium version of Grammarly would be able to detect 15 of the 20 errors, notably still a lower number than QuillBot detects and fixes for free. Some key takeaways of Grammarly are: it offers a browser extension. The interface has a nice, clean look, gives multiple options when different interpretations are possible, but it has no Fix All Errors button. 2 clicks required to fix an error. Need to sign up to use it at all. Can't see all suggestions at once, only one type at a time. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.